So, good afternoon friends. So, in this lecture we are solve the next numerical on a simple stress and strain. So, in numerical, a metal rod 24 mm in diameter, 24 mm diameter and 2 meter long is subjected to an axial pull of 40 kilonewton. If the elongation of the rod is 0.5 mm and find the stress induced and the value of Young modulus. So, in this numerical, to calculate the two quantities, one is stress and second is value of Young modulus. Value of Young modulus means to calculate the stress means to calculate the value of sigma, and next is to calculate the value of Young modulus. Young modulus. Okay. So, value of E to calculate the value of E. Okay. So, what is given data? Given data. A metal rod of 24 mm in diameter means diameter is given. So, diameter D is equal to 24 mm. Okay. The next 2 meter long. So, length of the rod is 2 meter means 2000 mm. Okay. The next, to an axial pull of 40 kilonewton means axial pull load is applied is 40 kilonewtons. So, applied load P is equal to 40 kilonewton. 40 kilonewton means 40 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. If the elongation of the rod is, so elongation of the rod, so that axial load is applied means axial deformation take place. So, change in length. So, delta L is equal to how much? 0.5 mm. 0.5 mm. Okay. Then find the stress induced and Young modulus. So, in this numerical, to find out the value of stress and value of Young modulus. So, sigma is equal to P upon A. So, P is known 40 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Find out the area. Area is equal to P upon area. For the metal rod. So, circular cross section. So, area is equal to pi by 4 d square. Okay. For simplification, first of all, we calculate the area pi by 4 d square. So, is pi by 4. What is value of d? Diameter is given is 24 mm. So, similar way 24 square. Okay. So, by using calci to calculate the value of area. So, pi by 4 d square 24 square is, so area is equal to 452.38 452.3893 mm square. It's the value of area. Now, so put this value here. So P is equal, what is the value of P? 40 into 10 raised to 3. So 40 into 10 raised to 3 divided by, what is area? 452.3893. Okay. So now to calculate the value of stress P by A, what is the value of P? 40 into 10 raised to 3, and what is area? 452.3893. Okay. So calculate the value of here on calc 40 into 10 raised to 3 divided by this. So its value of sigma is equal to 4194. So 88.4194 is the value of stress. So unit of stress is equal to Newton per mm square. Newton per mm square. Okay. So the next काय to calculate the value of Young modulus. To calculate the value of Young modulus. What is the value of Young modulus? Means E. To calculate the E. So you know delta L is equal to calculate the value of Young modulus E. You know the axial deformation delta L is equal to PL upon AE. So delta L is given. What is the value of delta L? Is 0.5 into is 0.5 is equal to P. What is the value of P? Here 40 into 10 raised to 3. 40 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. What is the value of L? L is given 2000 mm. Then what is the value of A? A is calculated 452.3893 and E. So to calculate the value of Young modulus E, so E is equal to 40 into 10 raised to 3 into 2000 452.3893 into 0.5. So we get the value of E. So to calculate the value of E. Okay. So 40 into 10 raised to 3 Okay. So we get the value of E is equal to 353 .6776. So we get value of E is equal to 353.6776 Newton per mm square. Okay, so in this numerical we calculate the value of stress and Young modulus. So simple formula of sigma is equal to P by A. First of all we calculate the A 452.3893 and then put here sigma is equal to P by A. We got the value of sigma, and by deformation formula delta L is equal to PL upon A, put the value and we calculate the value of E. So E is equal to 353.6776 Newton per mm square. Thank you.